Hi family, we are about to set up MetaTrader4 using Prosperity brokerage account. After clicking the link in my description box down below or above, it just depends, just look for Prosperityfx, click that link, you sign up, get a password, save that information. You should come to this page and go to settings to do the two-step authentication process. You can do it with the text message. I suggest that way because it's simpler. Make sure that you use your country's code. If you're in the US, then you would just put a 1 and then your phone number following that, and then you'll get a code and you enter the code in that same box to get everything set up. So the first thing you do is sign up, and we all signed up, right? Everybody signed up?
Yes.
Okay, awesome. So I signed up as well, and we're going to create a demo account. So you go to the accounts. So everybody go to your accounts. And just let me know when you get there. And while y'all doing that, I'm just going to explain a little bit about this. So this right here, account type, this is where you would see a demo or live, if it's a live account or a demo account, and the server is Prosperity Live. Your account number would be just for this account. And you'll need this for when, the most important thing is after we create this account, the email that you'll get. You'll need the account number and the password to enter it into your MetaTrader4. And I'll explain that when we get to that point. The leverage is pretty much how much money you want to leverage. With Forex, basically, you can have a little bit of money and play with the big leagues, like people with a lot of money, because that's how much money they have in the Forex market. Like you can have, for example, on my KOT4 live account, I have a 1 to 200 leverage, meaning for every $1 I spend, I can leverage $200. So that's good, and that's really good, and kind of bad if you don't really know how to do risk management. But fortunately for you, we know how to do risk management. So I would suggest a 1 to 200 ratio, because that's what I started out with, and that's actually still what I use. And it's demo anyway, so we're going to be practicing until we're comfortable with getting a live account. So that's what leverage is. Currency is USD. That's the money that we have, United States dollar. Our balance is right here, and with the demo account, we get to pick our balance. Equity refers to the amount of money a trader has in their trading account, plus or minus any profit or loss from open positions. For example, if you're in a trade and you're up in profits, then those profits would be added to your balance, and then that would be your equity pretty much. Your equity would be higher than your balance. And the opposite, if you're in a few trades or one trade and you're down in profits, then your equity would then be lower than your balance. All right, so click on create an account.
I'm on create an account.
All right, everybody click on that. All right, so now we are going to look at the different types of accounts they have. They have ECN, Islamic, competition, wow. Demo and demo tip. So we're going to go to MT4 demo. We're going to get us a demo account, because we're just going in the market. We're going in a live market. Like, for example, all 4 of us could trade together, and Kyle and I have real accounts, and we're in the same trade. However, y'all are in the same trade as well. It's just that you're not trading with real money. You're trading with in a demo account with fake money. However, we have to put real money in our trading account, but we also practiced, and and we developed a skill before we actually got live. So that's what you're doing right now. You're using this account to practice entering in the market and handle the psychology of, like, this market, because right now y'all don't really have the big picture yet, and this is going to help you kind of get a perspective on everything. So you pick your leverage. Some people are comfortable with 50, meaning every $1 they put in the market, they can leverage 50. And when you can leverage, most of the time, everybody wants to win, right? We risk $1 to win $50 more, basically. And that's why you can play with like $10 on certain pairs and like get $100 and stuff. Your leverage is like, So I recommend 200 leverage. You pick at your own discretion, and then you want to. I would say do a $500 account, or 500. Be realistic. Like $500 is a good place to start. You can grow a $500 account pretty well. And I will say this: after we do this demo and you start practicing, I can help you set up a live account, but do not use it. Just save your money and put money in that live account. So that way, when it's time for you to go live, you already have money. Like, treat it like a savings account, so to speak. So when you're ready to play, you'll have the money there and you'll already have like a good amount, instead of like saying, okay, all I have is $50 to my name, let me go on the market. You're gonna get emotional. So just put you some savings in there, like your Chick-fil-A money or something like that. Something like that. Put that in there. Just keep putting a little bit in there, like a savings account. And give yourself like 2 or 3 months. If you really go to all Malik's calls, I guarantee you it won't take long for you to catch this. But you have to get on the calls,
right,
in order to learn it. And so is everybody here under create an account? Y'all got the amount of money that you put in your account, the leverage? Okay. And make sure you have Prosperityfx MT4 demo. That's the most important thing. You want a demo account.
okay.
All right. So now we're going to create an account. So
It sent me back. Oh, just like you.
all right, so you got an email, y'all see. So the most important thing is that email. So I'm going to go to my email, and this is it. Now you see these numbers right here on this email. It has demo account number, trader password, and investor password. That's very important. So I'm gonna put that to the side, right? And I'm about to log in on my phone. All right, so this is my phone, and I'm about to go to MetaTrader4. I have an Android, but I had an iPhone, and it's the same thing.
All right.
You see that? This is like, trade. So what I'm doing is I'm going to here, manage accounts. So you go to manage accounts.
Right.
And then you go to the plus sign.
Open and a login.
No, you log into an existing account. Yeah. All right. So this. Now I want to go for. I'm just going to go to my email real quick. Copy, please.
It say invalid. I was supposed to put in the trader, right?
Okay, so you want to go to Prosperity.
I know, but the trader password, that's what I put in.
So did you go here? Prosperity demo?
Oh no, I didn't do that.
Okay. All right. Paste in.
Yeah, I logged in now.
Okay, perfect. All right, so now we're in. We got it.
Yay.
Yay. Okay, so just to give you a little tour of MetaTrader4. So this is where we go to execute trades. We do not look at charts on MetaTrader4. We look at trading view. And remember when you were watching the call with Malik Naughty, like that was on trading view. So this, some people look at this just for other reasons, like for different strategies I've heard. This part right here, this is where your balance is and stuff. This is where the trading view, the balance for the account is. All right, so these are the different currency pairs that you can trade. Now say if Like for example, I trade indices. I like to trade US 30. In order to add a pair or edit this screen right here, because these are all the pairs that I could trade. Naughty. So the top one is market execution. That's like if you want to get in the market like on the spot. And a lot of the times that's what I want to do is I get in the market on the spot and stuff. And if you want, I'll show you trading view. Well, I can show you that when you get on a call on Wednesday.
Right.
And I'll show you how we enter a trade. So basically this is what you do. And it's a demo, so I can go ahead and play with a demo account. This 0.01, do you know how many how much one pip is with that lot size? This is a micro lot size. This is the smallest it gets.
No, I don't. I'm sorry.
Okay, it's fine. So what you want to do is you want to move the decimal over to the right one time, and it's 10 cents a pip.
Right.
Unless you're trading an indice like US 30. US 30 with my broker KOT4. Now I'm not sure how much it is with Prosperity because the price is different because the indexes are worth points.
Right.
Points are a little bit different from currency pairs. Like this right here, see right here, see where I lit it up at? That AUD USD, that's Australian dollar versus the US dollar. Well, that's a currency pair. If this is 10 cents a pip, how much is this a pip?
I didn't see. Oh, the two? That's 20 cents.
Okay, 20 cents. All right, so how much is this a pip?
$1.20.
Yes, you already got it. See. All right. This right here, buy limit, and sell limit. That's a pending. Well, all four of these: buy limit, sell limit, buy stop, sell stop are all pending orders. Right. Meaning, you think like I would have to show you a chart because it's those pending orders is mostly like something that's more of a visual person to like it's a visual thing to learn. So basically, if you were getting in a buy limit, the market would have to be basically above where you want to enter that buy limit at. So you're basically saying that it's going to come down, hit your area, and then shoot back up.